So let's solve a quick physics problem. This is a classic example of free fall motion in kinematics. So a person who's 165 cm tall drops an egg from the top of their head. We're asked to find two things: how long it takes to hit the ground and how fast it's going just before it hits. So first, we convert the height to meters. So 165 cm, 165 cm, 2 meters. Uh, 165 equals meters. So this will be our height. Equals 65 m. So the egg is dropped from the rest, so the initial velocity is 0 and we're ignoring air resistance. We'll use the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. So to find the time, we are going to use this formula. G. So we need to plug in the numbers H and G. So 2, 1, 1.65 over 9.8 equals 0.58 seconds. 0.58 seconds. So for the final velocity, we are going to use this formula. Equals gx 9.8 times time, for the time 0.58 seconds, equals 5.68 meters per second. 68 meters per second. So this is for A and B. So the egg takes about 0.58 seconds to fall and hits the ground at about 5.68 meters per second. So, and that wraps up our quick physics problem. We used basic kinematics to find how long the egg takes to fall and how fast it's going when it hits the ground. So thanks for watching. Thank you, sir. Sir, tres lang, sir.